Bullish Algorand, Algo, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.491779 and $0.928916 by 2030. Market examiners accept Algo could reach $0.382495 by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.087427. Algorand, Algo, presentation. The Algorand, Algo, cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its beginning in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's digital currency framework. The cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has hence lost most of these additions, examiners and sites that conjecture costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? We should look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost advancement. What is Algorand? Algo, the Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the mystery of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement method called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board of trustees are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation, MIT, in the US, and its blockchain and nearby cache appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost immediately fell a day after presentation. One more expected figure. The breakdown of the value of Algo's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo by means of private position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter asserted that early sponsor had presented the drive to unnecessary dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand, Algo, specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's cash expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost. Regardless of a couple of increments, the cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, in the long run hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamach worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a large number of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, proclaimed that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital currency foundation. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an unequaled post-send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63 in spite of Algorand having quite recently delivered a redesign that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in famous programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a document-sharing programming, picked Algorand to run its NFT commercial center, Algo has encountered some rebound. Subsequent to arriving at a high of 97 cents, the token held at 80 cents. At the point when FIFA reported its participation with Algorand, it demonstrated that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May an expansive implosion saw Algo exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand is as of now worth $0.109296 United States dollars. Algo has moved 0.06% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $27,610,231. Algorand is as of now position 45 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $852,430,664 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity, MACD. From the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand, Algo, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Algorand, Algo, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Algo, the Algo cost figure for 2023, expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.163946. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady. However, no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.153016 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.131157. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Algorand Algo cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.273243. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Algo's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.218595 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.240454. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.382540 and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.349751 and a low of $0.327892 in 2025. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Algorand effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Algo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Algo will be green in 2026. The Algo is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.491838, with a base cost of $0.437189 and a typical cost of $0.459049. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Algo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 0.56834